Rather than looking at equipment as a chiller or a heat pump, is really looking at the way to manipulate energy. And I'll give you an example. So when I was a boy, and that was a few years ago, people threw their trash on a dump. And of course, as time went on, we began to find that trash has value. So we started burning the trash, and then we found that, well, by burning the trash, we could take that energy and use it for something. So trash evolved to people throwing it out just someplace that was out of the way, to actually collecting it and doing something important with it. I see energy the same way. For years, if you think about a chiller or an air conditioner works in the way of removing energy from a place that is objectionable. For instance, in this room, with the lights and the people, if we didn't have air conditioning, the temperature would just gradually get higher and higher and higher. We take this energy from the room in order to bring the temperature down, and generally speaking, we throw the energy somewhere that's not objectionable, usually the outside air, through a cooling tower or to a river. We see, or we believe, that this will go the same way as trash, and hence our theme here, which is we love BTUs, which by saying we love BTUs, we don't love heat, or we don't love cold. What we love is the ability to continuously reuse these BTUs, just like the trash analogy. Instead of throwing the heat outside and just forgetting about it, let's find a way to repurpose that energy. So I want to rename our products from chillers to energy manipulators, and my marketing people will kill me if they hear this, but I think that's the change that we all have to embrace. And in the industry, we're seeing this in Asia, in China. We're recovering energy to provide heat rather than just burning fossil fuels. And of course, if you do that correctly, you do it much more efficiently, 3 to 4 times more efficiently than you can with a boiler. So I believe that is where the world is going, and I think at some time, just like littering is a fine today, I think that throwing energy away will be a fine someday in the future. I hope it will be, because we need to do that for the environment and our planet.